Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, as everyone aware, TCS has released the admit card for the examination of NQT, which has been scheduled on 18th, 19th, 28th, and 21st of February 2021. So you will be able to download the admit card from this particular website, and this link will be given also in the description. So as I have not registered for this February examination, so for me it is showing registration closed, but for you, you will be able to see view the updates here, and then you will be able to download your admit card. So friends, once you download the admit card, then the student has a lot of confusion that when and what test will be there. So we will talk about that. So you can see for this particular candidate, one exam is scheduled on February 18th and the other exam is scheduled on February 21st, right? Okay. Now, so friends, watch the video till the end and do subscribe our channel because we are going to tell you each and everything in very much detail. So here you can see friends, the date of test is 18th of February and the timing is 5 p.m. Okay, so reporting time is 5 p.m. and the exam starting time is 6 p.m. Okay, and the exam venue has been also given Aditya Engineering Colleges, Aditya Nagar. Okay, so this is in Andhra Pradesh. Now, friends, so what is the subject name here? So this is common for everyone. So NQT and attitudinal. Now, friends, so you can see the subject name which is common for everyone. So NQT and attitudinal, atti, attitudinal. Now, friends, here you can see the subject name. So this is common for everyone. So NQT, so this is nothing but cognitive test and attitudinal alignment. So friends, what these two things are there, you might be already aware, but I will be also telling you in a bit of detail. So friends, here this NQT is nothing but cognitive test. And this I will be also explaining you in little more detail. Okay. So if you come down here, of the PDF which you have downloaded. Okay, so NQT is nothing but cognitive skills. Here you will have aptitude, reasoning, and your verbal skill, and the time which you are going to spend is nothing but 120 minutes. And then, so your attitudinal alignment NQT is nothing but psychometric test. So we have also made one video on that, and that will be there for 30 minutes. So this will measure your personality. So right, so the questions we have already done a video and the link also will be set, so you'll be able to get more details over there. So this NQT here means you will be having aptitude, and then we will be having reasoning, right, and then we will be having verbal. And friends, definitely it will be as easy as the exam was in October. Okay, so here you should not have any doubt. And this psychometric videos also, friends, so here they will be checking what is your mindset, how is your personality, all those things they will be checking it here. Then friends, the next part will be industry, IT, and programming. So friends, while applying whatever you had selected, okay, so industry, IT, okay, and programming, and many people had selected the other parts also, right? So I will show you. So this is also one admit card of one of the our student. So he has selected industry, IT, and basic computer skills. So friends, whatever you had selected at the time of the filling the form, so that is what exam will happening. So for this particular student, the exam is on February 19th, okay, 2021. And for this particular student, you can see February 21st, right? 5 p.m. is reporting time and 6 p.m. is nothing but exam starting time. So this is your programming part will be there, whatever you had selected. Okay, now so the first one is common for everyone, friends. So this NQT and psychometric test is common for everyone. Now friends, so there are some instructions, and these instructions are very very important. Okay, so do not do any mistake because these exams are going to happen offline. Okay, so you need to take care of all those things. Please ensure you carry the following document with you for the with you at the test center on the day of exam. So two printed copy of your admit card, one copy will be retained by the invigilator. So you take two copy of the admit card. your original photo identity proof for the verification. Do not go with the photo state. Okay, so PAN card, driving license, passport, voter ID, college ID, Aadhaar card. Okay, now please read through the COVID guidelines mentioned in the admit card and carry a copy of signed COVID declaration. So you need to take a print copy of that. Okay, that is given in the below seat of this particular PDF. Okay, please read. Okay, then please bring your own mask, gloves, personal hand sanitizer, 50, not more than 50 ml. So that pocket sanitizer you can keep. Transparent water bottle, a simple pen or pencil, and the exam related document. Admit card, ID card, etc. No other items will be permitted inside exam venue. According to me, just keep one or two blank page of white page in your pocket and then go. Maybe it will help you in rough paper if allowed. Just go with that. Okay, so nothing will happen. Okay, per COVID guidelines, drinking water will not be provided within the exam center, so you have to take your own drinking water. Banned items, so don't take bags, mobile phones, calculator, and other electronics devices are restricted, prohibited in the exam hall. The examination center will not be responsible for safekeeping of these items. Unfair means, adoption of any unfair means, the examination hall will result in disqualification. This will not happen because last time you know how much, so how this mass cheating happened. Okay, you will not be permitted to appear for the exam if you fail to carry the admit card and any one of the mandatory document. So when these are very important things. Okay, now you can complete the exam as per the timings mentioned in the hall ticket and leave the exam venue thereafter without disturbing other candidates. Okay, for more details on test coverage, refer this. For candidates who are appearing for the test on 2 dates, 2 admit cards will be provided and it is mandatory to carry correct admit card for the respective. Yeah, that also happens. So 21st admit card you will take on 18th and 18th admit card you will take on 21st. Don't do that. Okay, right. And friends, you are aware of the time duration of each subject. So NQT, cognitive skills, so aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability will be there. Okay, and then your psychometric test. So this will be just your personality development, nothing to worry about that. Industry NQT, information technology, 60 question will be there. Subject NQT, IT programming, 60 question. Subject NQT, sorry, not 60 question, this is minute, I'm sorry. Subject NQT, basic computer skill, that is also 60 minute. And subject NQT, accountant, so that will be also for 60 minutes, right? Okay, and this is the declaration. Then friends, below you can see social distancing and safety guidelines for COVID-19. And this particular last page, you need to take the printout. So COVID self-declaration. So we are concerned about your health safety. So you need to just fill it. Okay, your name, registration number, date of exam, exam center name, signature of candidate. So that if later on anyone will found out with the COVID positive, COVID-19 positive, then definitely it will be easy for everyone to track them. Okay, so please take a printout, fill this, and then go with that. So friends, this video should definitely help you in all those queries related. And thank you friends for watching the video.